Hi, this is Dr. Serena Satcher, and this month I'm talking about lupus, and we got a number of questions. And the next question, which is the fourth question, is can you prevent lupus? And this is kind of a long answer because any autoimmune diseases can be helped and prevented. That is not the way that conventional medicine approaches it. Conventional medicine approaches autoimmune diseases as if they are a lifelong uh, type of disease, disease that you're affected by your entire life. And many times we can get the disease to resolve or reverse itself with working on lifestyle features. So the first area that we like to work on is stress management. So I always tell people that we have to address the mind, body, and spirit, and we have to figure out what things are causing stress to the body, mind, and spirit. And those things firstly need to be addressed because any medications or any, addressing anything with other treatments is not going to be as effective and will not last if the mind, body, spirit stress issues are not addressed. So the second thing is avoiding direct sunlight because some people can have their rashes triggered by sunlight, and avoiding medications that may cause a side effect of the lupus in the skin, protecting the immune system by getting proper sleep and nutrition, and staying away from people who are sick, and considering supplements, nutraceuticals, energy medicine, homeopathy. A number of things can help the systemic inflammation and the joint inflammation. Examples of nutraceuticals that we often use are omega-3s against inflammation, turmeric or curcumin, boswellia, and ginger. And nutrition definitely impacts systemic inflammation, so that needs to be addressed before adding supplements. Thanks for joining me. My website is at treatyourselftohealth.com. Join me for the next question.